I will repeat the question. Question is, which of the following is responsible to reduce the absolute velocity in AFT? So we are talking about absolute velocity. We have four options: gap between rotor blades, gap between stator blades, work transfer. All the above are responsible. So choose your options here. Use this box for option A, this box for option B, this box for option 3, this box for option 4. You use your screen and scribble my screen. Try, guys. Everyone. Good going. Very good. Very good. Others? Other students? Okay. You can also comment in text box. Now see my solution.